paragliding, skydiving, rappelling. Is this schedule really just for me? Sure. Yeah, totally. I can feel it in my bones. It's more like your way of threatening, intimidating, and tormenting me, yeah? Okay, I give up. You did all of this to prank me? There are a lot of backs. Which one? You hid them well. The lighthouse, the observation deck, and the cable car will do. Pick one or two. Who knows? But the chances of getting inspiration from staying still and traveling are the same. It's your turn. Can I trust you? All right then. I'll leave our field trip to you, Miss Trustworthy Hunter. Please, I'm fine. If anything, I'm scared of not having solid ground beneath my feet. This lighthouse is sturdier than the ladder I use for big paintings. This is nice. Very nice. We just need a couch to sit on and soak it all in. Folding chairs. The previous lighthouse keeper must have left them behind. While I've seen the sunset thousands of times, it feels different when the height and mood have changed. True. Whether it's admiring something with your eyes or through art, we only capture a fleeting moment. What do you think creators put out into the world? It's all emotions, perspectives, and insights from different walks of life. No one stays the same. You need to adapt if you don't want to be left behind. Something on your mind? The mood is getting good, and you're bothered by my creative block? Miss Bodyguard, you worry about me too much. My transformation is a work in progress, so my art should naturally evolve with me. It's like this. It was probably left behind by the lighthouse keeper too. Saw a little bag on the chair. The ocean and the sky are like two snow globes. For those who live underwater, this glass is the surface of the ocean. For the surface world, this glass is the sky. We can swim underwater and reach the surface, but we can't do that to explore the sky. It's like insisting you need to argue even when you're exhausted. Same difference. I'm awake. This is the first time I've seen a tour guide sleep on the job. You're not going back to bed, yeah? Let's go to the place I picked. I never got in one before, so I didn't know there was a time limit.
Dear guests, attention please. The entrance for the Ferris wheel will be closing in 5 minutes.
The passenger cars don't even stop for you to get in. Are you planning to drag me onto a Ferris wheel when you become old? I'm terrified now. We should be about 12 feet off the ground. 15, 20, no, it's 30. 30 feet. I was just thinking about how it's nice to have someone around when I'm nervous. You did? Do I need to do anything special? I've always been doing that. My eyes are closed. Now what? You know, you're right. I do feel a lot better not knowing how high up I am. But I won't be able to admire the scenery this way. My heart is a lot calmer now, right? And now you should know why it was beating so fast. It's really pretty. Do you want to make a wish? Though making a wish when you see fireworks isn't the same as making a wish when you see a shooting star. But wishes are meant to be shared with the people you want to realize them with. The night sky constantly changes. It's weird how people always use an ever-changing sky as their witness for unchanging vows. Yet, broken vows are nothing more than lies. Satisfaction in the present becomes a future pain. Then you're not allowed to change your mind even after 100 years or 1,000. Because the wish I made goes beyond just this. I wasn't thinking we had a deal. What I was really thinking was, it begins.